Hey guys, welcome to the very first video of my YouTube channel Explicit Stars. I'm Madhvi and I'm from Hyderabad. Yes, I'm a Hyderabadi. So tell me, what is the first word that strikes your mind when you hear the word Hyderabad? Is it Hyderabadi biryani? Or you have different opinions? If you do so, do let me know in the comment section box below. I will love to know them. So basically this is an introduction video of my channel. In this you can find videos regarding hair tutorials. Well, lots and lots of hair tutorials because I love doing hairstyles. Literally I play with my hair, so I thought why not to share here with you, share a few tutorials here with you. And also you can find videos regarding DIYs, few tips and tricks, easy hack videos and lot more. Well, I don't want to confine myself to one particular category, but I surely want to start with one particular category and explore more in my further videos. I'm super duper excited for my further videos because it's been a very long time since I've thought to do YouTube. Very long time, as in 10 to 11 months. Things got pretty much delayed. Things didn't go as I planned, and that is how life is. And things got pretty much delayed. But I'm happy that I'm here. So hope to see you all soon in my next video. If you have any suggestions for me, do let me know in the comment section box below. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and please do subscribe to my channel and tap the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. Till then, keep smile and spread happiness. Thank you. Bye bye.